To have Einstein Model Builder is now fully built into Data Cloud. So here we are in Einstein Studio. At first sight, not a lot is happening here, but oh my god, the possibilities are endless. I can build and train predictive models. I can even add foundation models. For example, I can connect to Azure, I can connect to an OpenAI, I can connect to Google models. So bring your own model is possible as well. On top of that, I can also make and use generative models. All the famous GPT models are available, GPT 4.1, GPT Mini, even Anthropic, all the OpenAIs, and recently also Google Gemini, which can be leveraged in custom agents which you can build, and there is really the sky the limit. Circling back to our Sales Cloud dashboard, first what we did was connect to our internal data, bring that data in as a so-called data lake object. It's an elementary building block of my model, and then knit it together as a DMO, and then I can use it afterwards in my semantic model in Tableau Next. Now that semantic model sits right in my data cloud. So I showed you the Sales Cloud semantic model. If I click here on Sales Cloud, I immediately arrive back into my semantic model. As a next step,